Hey Mike, this is Shaelee with Midtown Marketing. I have your website pulled up here so that we can go over your online presence. And the first thing that I notice here is it's saying it's not secure. I recommend securing your site just because you and your customers are susceptible to hackers there. But if we scroll through your site here, you guys have a good looking site. And these form submits, that will really help with your conversion rate as well. One thing I do recommend would be to have some more content here. Google has what's called crawlers, and they're crawling the internet 24/7, and they're looking through all of this content on your homepage and seeing what your photos are saved as, and they're looking for keywords. And you want at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage to be considered an authority with Google. And then you want those keywords embedded throughout. And one example of a keyword is Kansas City foundation repair. And when your customers are searching for this, the first thing that's popping up here are some ads. And if we scroll down, this is the Google Map Pack section. And 30 to 40% of business goes into the Google Map Packs. And you want to be ranking in the top 3 because the top 3 get a lot of that 30 to 40%. And if we scroll down here, this is the organic listing. So the remainder of that 60 to 70% of business goes into the organic listing down here. And you want to be on this first page because 90% of people will stay on the first page here. So let's take a look at this #1 ranking website for this keyword. So if we look through KC Pier's website, they have some good call to actions as well with the forms and the click to calls. Once again, that helps with your conversion rates. And if I quickly scroll through here, it'd be really easy to outdo them with content. So let's take a look at the back end of each website, starting with the KC Pier. We're going to look at some ratings pulled from Google data. The UR and the DR. This is the trustworthiness and the authority of a website, and they have 34 and 4. And what's making up these ratings here are the backlinks that they have. They have 1.91 thousand backlinks coming from 419 referring domains. And so what a backlink is, it's one website linking to another. So it's kind of like a shout out. And it's important to note that not all backlinks are the same. There are high quality ones that will boost these numbers, as well as spammy ones that will bring these numbers down. So you do want to be intentional there. And they have 1.3 thousand keywords on their website. So let's go take a look at yours. You have 23 and 4.2 coming from 217 backlinks from 70 referring domains. And you all have 41 keywords on your website. And so what you'd want to do here is boost these numbers by getting those high quality backlinks, as well as adding buyer intent keywords to your website. So one way to get high quality backlinks is called the copycat method. You could go into your competitors' backlinks here and then link those to your website as well, because if it is working for them, it would work for you. And we can also take a look at some of their keywords that they're ranking for. Foundation repair Kansas City. 700 people are searching for that every single month. Kansas City foundation repair, 100, 200, 80, 150, 200, 150, 150. And so we can just see through here that there's quite a bit more, as well as there being pages of keywords here. And so in order for you to get more traffic and more customers for yourself, you would want that Google Business Profile ranking, so have more citations there. And then for your website to get it ranking, you would want more high quality backlinks, as well as quality content to support those buyer intent keywords. And so I hope that you found this video valuable. I would love to hear from you to find out if it was helpful or not. And I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Thank you.